Alright guys, let's see what happens with the 11 draw. So right now I do have the discount. And here we go. Elemental Pixies. That's a look like Pokemon. Anyways, so the one I want is Bora, Mitzi, or even Volta, maybe even you. I like all of them, honestly. Let's try. You get a Platinum Shard too, which is nice. Let's go, come on. Ooh, I think we're gonna get an Uber here. Okay. I've never gotten you. Your new one. Can we get another one? No. Nice. Alright, what'd you do? Huh? Get you. You're an Uber, so I'll definitely use you. Alright, let's also try Excellence Direction. Let's see if we can get maybe even Uber. Oh wait, there's here too. Let's at least get a brainwashed cat. Nope, we got closer with the. Nice. We got an Elmexo Pixie. It's the brand newest. It's the newest one too. I really wanted Bora, but that's okay. Wait, no, this isn't. Let's see what its final form is, because I do have enough XP. Sorry guys for that interruption. Yeah, so we got a new Uber. Welcome to Tech G. See? Ooh! Barrier Breaker and Resistant. I'm actually use this cat. Alright guys. Well, that's all.